Hello, in front of me I've got Ddpai Mini One camera. In this video I'll show you how to manage camera via app. In the beginning, let's enter Ddpai app and right here in Now and Back. But firstly let's select our camera, so select Entering, and in Now and Back section we've got the preview from the camera that we can rewind. Also from this menu we can extend the view. As you can see, this video is already recording, and then we can take a photo and download recorded videos. If you go to Capture, right here you will find every file you have downloaded from Now and Back. In Emergency you will see emergency video you've created. Also, you can go to Settings to change speaker volume, enable or disable switching tone, enter dashcam installation guide, recording resolution, enable or disable microphone recording, date watermark, capture video clips when taking photo, adjust collision sensitivity, and many more. You can also delete this device. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.